Mike Wright here, the Indy Financial Coach, speaking to you from the offices of the Athletic Department at the Tax-Right University. And I wanted to spend today's conversation starting a talk about stuff that you should be getting ready to do in anticipation of your taxes for 2012. I know we spent a lot of time talking about Taxmageddon and about the changes that are coming up next year, and there are some things that you need to do in anticipation of that. But more importantly, there are things that you still need to worry about for 2012. And to start off with, the first thing that I recommend that each of you do is calculate your estimated tax bill for the calendar year. That's fairly easy to do. It involves getting together all of your year-to-date check stubs, your year-to-date financial reports from your stockbroker, your mutual funds, your IRAs, and all of those other categories of funding. It's not that we're going to use or that we would use every one of these documents, but you need to be sure that everything is on a year-to-date basis. And on your tax, or rather your check stubs particularly, what you're going to be looking for is the year-to-date income and the year-to-date withholding for the federal and the Indiana taxes. Don't concern yourself about the year-to-date for Social Security and so forth. And so you're going to take that year-to-date total based upon the date that that check is for. Ditto with any reports that you have about withdrawals from IRA accounts or about stock sales or anything of that sort. And based upon that date, then you're going to project what your income and your tax withholding has been. Based on that information for the rest of the year. And then based on that, you're going to be able to figure out whether you're likely to owe tax or whether you're going to get some tax money back, a refund in other words. This is an important feature, particularly if you've had any financial activity during the year that was a little bit out of the ordinary. Maybe you got a raise, maybe you changed jobs, maybe you started getting unemployment. Any of those things can have an impact on your total tax bill, and it's better to be able to anticipate that than to wait until next April and simply get the bill handed to you with the expectation that it be paid immediately. Once you find out if you owe more money, then there are various ways that you can see to getting more withholding or additional money on deposit. If you're getting money back, you need to consider, do you want to get a big check, or do you want to have that money paid to you over the course of the year that remains? Either one is possible, and you should consider doing it. If you need any help making that calculation, or if you'd simply like to come into the office and have it done for you, give me a call. You can reach me at 317-683-4731. That's 317-683-4731, and we can set up an appointment and get that done.